Oh, my coffee. Ah, that's hot. Pay attention to what you're doing. So as you guys can see behind me, I want to show you something real quick. It's crazy out here. The harbor is never this smooth.
And they all lived happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us, and when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts.
Just want to take all this stuff out today. And I don't know if this works or not. So I'm gonna probably take this house and try it out, hook it up, propane, I don't know. So that goes out. This is all we're doing. There we go. So all we're doing, we're taking the tile up, let's put down. I'm gonna try to reuse this wood. A lot of it's still good, actually most of it's still good. And wood is crazy expensive, so I'm not trying to mess up the plywood underneath here. Decided to rip all this out and just forget about it. Let's go, rip it out, pull it. Pull it, break it. Break it, boy. Hey, hey, hey. We're in the water. I don't want a hole in the side of the boat. Pull it towards you. Come on, now back. Let go. Now back. Come on. Here. You were doing, you were hitting it like this. What I'm talking about is this. Ready? Keep it level. Just. So now it's coming this way.
It almost smells like cedar. No.
What the cedar smells like?
We're gonna smell it.
What?
Do you smell it?
Oh, we have to screw there.
Oh, put your head on that.
There it is, right there. That's heavy. It give you that heavy. Did it feel satisfying?
Yeah.
Good. Do it one more time. Now, don't put a hole in the boat. Put it like it was, at an angle. There you go. Now put it in the trash can. Teenagers.
Yeah.
Working in the boat, and guess what's coming? A little squall is coming. May actually miss. I don't know if it's going to miss us or not. It's right there in the middle of the harbor. It's just going to miss us. Most of it. So with the squall going around, going through, I'm going to show you all what we accomplished today. Maybe a little loud. There's a galley. Well, it was a galley. So, of course, when you guys, or as you guys know, I'm sure, once you open up one project, you find like 30 more to do before you can finish your original project, right? So, I think I'm going to take the boat out of the water, replace those. They're obviously not leaking, but it's a matter of time.